Transform negativity with positivity. Understanding, kill with kindness. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or books. Kill with kindness. It's a phrase that's not only intriguing but also deeply meaningful once you unravel its essence. So, stay tuned as we explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a powerful expression in the English language. The phrase, kill with kindness, is a figurative expression that means to overcome or disarm someone's hostility or aggression with compassion, kindness, and gentleness. Instead of responding to negativity with more negativity, the idea is to use positive behavior and kindness as your weapons to diffuse tension and potentially change someone's attitude or behavior for the better. It's about winning over your adversaries not with force, but with generosity and love. Believe it or not, this phrase has been around for centuries. It first appeared in literature in the 16th century and has been used by writers and poets to convey the idea that kindness is a more powerful and effective tool than conflict. Over the years, kill with kindness has evolved, but its core message remains the same. Kindness can be a transformative force. Incorporating kill with kindness into your daily life can be incredibly rewarding. Here are a few tips. When faced with criticism or hostility, respond with understanding and empathy instead of anger or defensiveness. Use positive affirmations and encouragement to help others feel valued and understood, even in challenging situations. Practice patience and offer help without expecting anything in return. Sometimes, a small act of kindness can make a big difference in someone's day. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. Despite the harsh criticism from his peers, he decided to kill them with kindness and continued to support their projects. When she faces rude customers at work, she kills them with kindness, often leaving them more pleasant than when they arrived. We hope this exploration of the phrase, kill with kindness, has been enlightening and inspiring. Remember, in a world where you can be anything, being kind is always a choice worth making. By adopting this approach, not only do you enrich your own life, but you also contribute to a more positive and compassionate world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to spread kindness wherever you go.